It feels so good to say that with you.
Yeah.
I'm doing a sit-down video with Jerry. For all those of you who are new to my channel, this is my husband, Gerard. We've been married for almost 4 years now. We've been together for almost 7 years now, alhamdulillah. And he does videos with me sometimes when I really pester him into doing them. He has vlogged once before. Leave some comments down below and try to get him to vlog again if we put enough pressure on him. We've done a part 1 to this video, which is where he tried to guess the makeup prices, which really did well. You guys asked for more of that, and I offered, just for the record, I offered for him to get on Nykaa and do some research a couple of days ago, and he refused. He said, nahi, koi baat nahi, I will just get it right this time and I will win this time. So in today's video, he will be guessing my prices for more of my makeup. Do you want to give any thoughts, disclaimers before we start?
Yeah, so basically you found a game that you will win.
Babe,
Finally.
You said that you will win this one. So I'm really hoping that you do. I'm rooting for you. We're all rooting for you, na? हम सब इनके लिए root कर रहे हैं, for that matter.
I've gotten my Sherlock Holmes vibe on. And I'm gonna guess using my deduction skills.
Let's not make this intro any longer and let's dive right into it. Say it with me.
Introduction any longer or any bigger than your earrings?
Let's dive right into it. You look all tiny and small.
Because compared to your earrings, obviously I'll be tiny, no? You and your earrings.
Guys, I like these earrings. I can't remember where I got them from. Someone sent them to me in PR or whether I bought them, but they've been with me for a while and I think that they're really cute. Getting back to the video, he refuses to sit on a pillow. Tiny little weird little thing just sitting there in the corner of the frame. Much like last time, I'm going to show you a few makeup items and you get to guess how much they're for.
Okay.
You will be given no hints and all, but if you're close enough, little upar, little niche, you will get the point.
So, will you give me a price bracket of sorts?
No,
or
just like last time. Exactly like last time. This is a tukka. I mean, if you say, is it drugstore or luxury, I'll say yes or no to help you. I'll do that. So you know if it's drugstore, it'll be within a certain price category. If it's luxury, to think beyond that.
So drugstore is cheaper.
Drugstore means affordable. Luxury is luxury. You know that by now. Don't act a fool. Okay, so let's start. The first product that I have over here that does not have any price written on it, thank God. So the cheat cannot take a look at it. It is the Farsali Unicorn Essence. It's this small, literally. Just to give you context, you actually get a bigger bottle in this. So this is the tiny variant. This is a skin serum that is usually applied before makeup. I'm just kind of giving you context so that you can understand what I use it for. And this comes, you get 10 ml in this. This is the 10 ml variant. You don't have to show it to them. You just have to guess the price. They know what it looks like.
Farsali Unicorn Essence, 10 milliliters, purple bottle, a little bit of plastic here.
That plastic is just my bad unwrapping. In fact, the product is over, by the way. Product is over. I finished it also.
Okay. Interesting.
Are you now smelling my makeup and skincare to try and deduce the price?
So, it's unicorn essence. Now, what I know is that unicorns are mythological creatures and they're extremely rare to find, as you would have seen in the Harry Potter universe. Voldemort drank unicorn's blood to revive himself.
In Sorcerer's Stone.
So, I'm guessing they're extremely hard to come by, and the essence of unicorn, oh my god, should be extremely expensive. So, I'm guessing this 10 milliliter bottle Farsali Unicorn Essence is luxury item. And I think that would be around, let's say, 5,000 rupees.
Oh no! Lock kar do? This is 1,750 rupees.
So I meant pack of 3.
Listen,
pack of 3, no?
Just shut up. 5,000? Pack of 3. What a save.
No, I meant a pack of 3.
You lost at this point. Sorry. Also, you really need to get up, guys. It's bothering me. You're looking tiny. Your hands covering your face. You're too comfortable today that you don't even want to sit up in the video.
Yeah, hold me like this and I will sit up straight.
I keep holding you like this.
Yeah, okay.
You know this funny story. So just like last week, I don't know if this is too much information or what. Last week, he came to kiss me when we were out. And he kissed me, and I had highlighter at the tip of my nose. And by the time he moved away, his nose was full of my highlighter. It was so cute.
My nose was highlighted. Oh no! Okay, let's move on. I won that one.
Okay. Let's move on to the next. This does not have any pricing on it. Yeah, okay. It doesn't have pricing written on it. So I think we should be fine. What we have over here is the Lakme 9 to 5 primer and matte cover foundation. Also almost over. Need to repurchase this. What's your guess? What's your Rashi?
So it's primer plus matte.
Means it's a matte cover foundation. I'm just trying to make sure that the pricing is not actually on it.
No, it just says 25 milliliters.
Stop looking around for the price.
I'm not.
Jerry, this is cheating, yeah. What
I'm
if
not.
I've missed it somewhere? Say mat karo na aap.
Lakme 9 to 5.
Please don't.
How do you put this?
With the spatula that you just held.
So when do you put this? Before makeup, after makeup?
It's makeup. It is makeup.
Oh, it is makeup.
It's a foundation. It is makeup.
Okay, so 9 to 5, Lakme. Please, let me feel. Bottle seems nice and heavy.
Is the wand talking to you? I should check now. I don't remember how much it was for.
9 to 5, Lakme. I'm guessing 9 to 5 is basically a hint towards daily wear. I mean, it's daily usage. Office wear, if I'm not mistaken, and Lakme being Lakme and Hindustan Unilever. I'm guessing this would be around 750 rupees.
For one, na? Now I'm checking. Okay, you're wrong. It's 475 rupees.
Yeah, I was close. Come on.
You are $300 apart. How is that close, baby?
It is close because you can't buy another one with 300 rupees, no?
What is this shit reasoning you're trying to come up with?
The difference between my guest price and the actual price should be enough to buy another product of the same.
Jerry. Shush. If you're like $50, $100, $200, fine. You've gone half. This is 400. You said 700.
That's not half.
About half. You know what I mean. It's ratio
I'll
and proportion.
win this one also.
Also?
Yeah.
पहला वाला तो आपने जीता ही नहीं था.
Yeah,
What
I
also?
gave the price for 3. Who will buy only one unicorn essence? Tell me. You'll at least buy 3, right? Especially when it's 10 milliliters.
To love.
I love you too.
Okay, now we're gonna go over to one of my favorites. This has no pricing on it. Here's hoping. We have the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous / Paradise Mascara. This is something I wear a lot. You see me using this a lot. I really hope you're able to guess its price.
देख लो है कि नहीं.
नहीं है. It's written 7.6 ml. This is in the shade Blackest Black.
Listen, I may have seen you use this a lot, but it's not like I've seen you use this inside a shop.
Okay, fine. Guess na. As it is your job in this game is to guess. So guess.
Lash Paradise.
I'm also checking.
Waterproof and Hydro Fudge. What is Hydro Fudge?
It says Hydro Fudge.
Is it like chocolate fudge?
I think it means like waterproof Hydro Fudge in 2 different languages. It would be my guess because everything's written in English as well as French. So
It's not chocolate fudge. So it's not like water fudge like chocolate fudge. It's not like a fudge that you're making out of water.
you're just buying time.
So I'm guessing it's around 700 rupees.
I'll give you that.
Yes, 3-0.
Wait, what? 3-0?
Look, this
It's
was for the
2-1.
It's for the price
Just
for 3.
shush. झूठ नहीं बोलते.
This, yeah, I mean difference was
बुरी बात.
negligible.
झूठ नहीं बोलते. We're at 2-1.
So how much is it for?
$7.99.
Yeah, see,
We're close.
on discount. 700 rupees on discount.
My Abba's giving you a discount on L'Oreal Paris products.
Your Abba, you said L'Oreal Paris. Sorry, Papa.
Okay, so I can't give you this in your hand, unfortunately, because the price is on it. But it is an eyeshadow palette from LA Colors. It's something that I use very, very often. It's something that I really, really like. Just to give you some aid into guessing the price, it says crease, lid, crease, highlight. So it literally tells you exactly where to apply what shade. It is a neutral
Why does it
palette.
say lid? Why will
Lid.
it? Oh, that lid.
बॉटल के लिड की बात
वही मैं सोच रहा हूँ.
नहीं हो रही है, ये आई मेकअप के लिए है.
So what is crease?
Your crease, which you don't have because you have hooded eyes.
I have what?
Hooded eyes. This is a crease.
What is a hooded eye?
Crease, just crease. Crease is your crease, eye crease.
So what is hooded eye?
You have those tiny eyes where like there's no space for eye makeup, so you have a hooded eye, like a hood.
I have a hoodie.
Not the point. You are completely digressing. Price बताओ.
यहाँ पे कैसा क्यों?
यहाँ पे एक ब्रश होता है यूजुअली जो मैंने निकाल के फेंक दिया है, बिकॉज मैं कभी भी आई शेडो पैलेट्स के जो ब्रशेज आते हैं मैं उन्हें यूज नहीं करती.
LA Colors. So LA से हैं. US का माल है. Interesting. And which basically comes with instructions on कहाँ. So basically it's for noobs. What is this called again?
It's an eyeshadow palette.
It's an eyeshadow palette.
Why are you repeating everything I said?
I'm internalizing it.
Okay.
It also comes with a brush, which she's thrown away apparently. It seems so, which basically means easily disposable. Which basically means this product is around 450 rupees.
Just confirming for quantity of one.
Yeah.
I'm asking for everything for quantity of one. 400 and
50.
let's do this thing. I hope you guys are also guessing each time and tell me in the comments how many you also get right or wrong, okay? You got this one wrong.
How much is it for?
650.
That was close. Come on.
In fact, some websites listed for 750 also, but the product packaging in itself says 650.
Hey, come on. This was during Big Billion Day sale, which is when I kind of said the price. Festive period, no? Some discount will be given,
Just
no?
making nonsense up at this point. Okay, then we have the Huda Beauty.
Hey, my favorite brand.
Really?
Yeah.
It's your favorite brand?
Yeah.
Why?
It's from Dubai.
So,
It's my favorite brand.
how is it your favorite brand?
It's also the number one brand.
It is the number one brand. There was a recent business paper that called it the world's number one cosmetic brand in terms of sales. Yeah. But I don't know if it's your favorite brand. Nibbles! Nibu? Why is she calling out?
Maybe she's guessing from that.
Okay. So this is their this is their loose baking powder.
Loose baking powder.
It's a loose powder. It's a baking powder to either set or bake your makeup, like your under eyes and all. You've seen me sometimes leave powder on the face for a long period of time. That's called baking. So this is what that's
So
meant
not the
for.
cake baking. So why can't you just put your face inside a microwave oven bake?
It's basically a powder to make everything set in place, one way or another. And this is in the white, in the translucent finish, which is white color. This is called Sugar Cookie. It is, you get about 20 grams of it, and it gives you instructions down here on how to use it as well. It's a really great product, I can tell you that.
Sugar cookie. दुबई का माल है.
Yeah, what is this new? LA का माल है, अमेरिका का माल है, दुबई का माल है. What is this you're categorizing माल?
Interesting. So दुबई में सामान cheap मिलता है.
Okay.
iPhones भी वहाँ पे cheap मिलता है.
Okay.
But उसमें FaceTime नहीं होता. FaceTime नहीं होता, right?
Right.
So basically उनको face से problem है. And ये baking powder face में लगता है.
Does anyone else know where he's going with this?
And they're the number one brand, which means
Huda Beauty is a luxury brand. We have established that between you
I'm
and me.
establishing it right now. So I'm guessing this would be around $1,000.
Sure.
Indian currency.
Indian currency.
Yeah.
You're sure?
Yeah.
For a unit of one,
Yes, for a unit of one.
it's 3 grand.
Okay, I was wrong.
It's 2950.
I was wrong. In this. Fine.
We're currently at
4-1.
1, 2, 3, 4,
1.
4, 1. Wow, you're being honest about the score.
I meant 4-4. Hello, what is this?
I'm wondering, you're being honest about the score. I'm at 4,
no,
you're at 1.
I'm at 4.
Jerry Baba,
Baba.
be honest, Baba.
Fine.
It's okay. It's okay.
But I got 1 right.
Yes, he got 1 right. Okay, there is no pricing on this, just a couple of other details. We've got a Nykaa Brow Girl Brow Definer over here. You get about 0.35 grams of 0.35 grams worth of bulk worth of makeup in here. It's from Nykaa. It's from their in-house brand.
What does it do?
It's a brow product. I can make your brows with this. You've got a pencil on one side and this spoolie on one side.
Oh, it's called a spoolie.
Yeah. Leave a comment if you guys think Jerry should do a makeup tutorial. We've been talking about it and I need to convince him. So if you think Jerry should follow one of my makeup tutorials and follow some makeup tutorial and do his own makeup, or if you think I should do his makeup, please leave a comment down below.
Nykaa Brown Girl, I'm going for 300 rupees.
Brown girl nahi, brow definer.
Oh, sorry, brow definer.
Brow girl.
Brow girl.
Brown girl bana diya.
300 rupees.
300 rupees. I'm gonna just reconfirm this on my phone. 300 bucks. You're about 40% off. It's 475 rupees.
I'm close.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 175 rupees. Come on. Festive period, some discount will be there.
If you said 1500 for 1600, 1700, I do. But for this, I think the percentage of it being off is just far too much.
This is cheating. Huh? Now she's cheating.
I'm not cheating.
Of course, this is cheating.
You're 30-ish% off maybe.
30% offs are par for course during festive period.
Please tell me in the comments if you think this point should be given to him. I personally do not think so.
Of
He
course
said
you should.
300.
There are discounts applicable, no?
It's 475. Okay, now we have Katrina Kaif's collection. This is K by Katrina, which is a joint venture. There's no pricing. Please tell me there's no pricing. Please tell me there's no pricing. Okay, there's no pricing. This is a joint venture with Nykaa. And this is a bullet lipstick. It's really nice and matte. And this is in the shade Cameo. I really like the shade Snapshot from this collection, by the way.
It's magnetic. Very satisfying kick. Around, I'm gonna guess.
Just think a little. Just think a little.
I've thought around 800 rupees.
It's 999.
I win. 800 rupees. Come on. Now come on.
How do you win? In what universe are you winning? 800 to 1,000.
No, it's not even 1,000. It's 999.
Yeah, it's 999.
Yeah. So?
In what universe are you winning if it's 800?
I'm off by 199 rupees.
You're always off by 199, 175, 150.
I'm giving discounts on all products.
Who made you discount manager?
Because it's festive period.
What festive
all
period?
brands.
It's the 6th of January. What festive period are you on? Happy New Year is not a festive period.
What?
It's not.
There are newer discounts.
Thank God we are down to the last product for this.
But I win that. Come on. No, if you guys think I should get that point, please comment.
And not because he's cute and
Team
he's
Jerry.
charming and all
Team
of that.
Jerry.
No,
Team-
be honest. This is not a Team Jerry thing. This is an
It is a
honesty
Team Jerry thing.
No,
It's-
if you genuinely think he should get this point by sachai and fair game and the rules, then leave a comment and tell us what you think. But not because he's charming and he's cute and his voice is so nice and all of that. हाँ, सच वाला अपने आप को पूछ के फिर comment करना down below. Because I love you the most and I'm not giving you that point.
Then you don't love me the most.
My love is not conditional. Okay,
Beep that.
we're down to the last product. This is a face moisturizer. It is called Charlotte's Magic Cream. It is the instant turnaround moisturizer in a cream variant. You get 30 milliliters in this product. This is the smaller one of a bigger one. So I know that there is a bigger one. And for you to smell and try and do whatever else it is that you think you want to do while guessing the price.
Why does it say D?
It's CT. You're looking at it ulta. It's C with the T. Charlotte Tilbury. Her name is Charlotte Tilbury. There's no like such strong fragrance in there. It's
There
actually
is.
really nice. I like it. It smells like Nivea. Like takes me back to my
So
childhood.
this is Charlotte's magic cream. So what is Charlotte using now?
I really like love and respect her. Please like don't make fun.
I've always seen moisturizers in tubes and what is it? Spizzers?
Is it sprays?
Sprays and stuff like that. This is fancy, man. And there is, see if you can see, the cream is levitating. So it's obviously light.
It's not levitating. There's just some of it left on the side of the walls. I've only finished half, and the other
No,
half.
see,
is...
there's a difference between the
Yeah, because
cream.
if it's kept like this, it'll stick to that side of the wall. It's not levitating. It's not. It's
No,
not
no,
magic.
See, there's a gap between the cream
Oh,
and
you
the
mean
bottom.
like that?
Yeah,
Oh.
so it's levitating. So it's obviously light, right? And it's good packaging also. And Charlotte's magic cream, and she's given us our magic creams, obviously will be expensive, no?
I don't know how you got to
London.
that, but I'm glad you got there.
London ka maal hai.
He's obsessed with this word mal today, clearly.
So I'm guessing this would be for about, let's say, 2,000 rupees.
For a unit of one, just
Yes.
checking.
Yes.
You're sure?
Yeah.
It's 5,650 rupees.
I got that also wrong. Fine. See, I admit when I'm wrong. I admit when I'm wrong.
Is that a tana to me or is that you saying ठीक है चलो मैं हार गया ये game?
No, game नहीं हारा हूँ मैं. I still think I won. I got most of it right. On
You
discount.
got one thing right in the entire game, which was 700 for something that was 799, and I gave it to you. What else did you get right?
I got the 9 to 5 right.
You said
I got LA
you said
Colours
700 for 95.
I got Cape Beauty right. I got Unicorn Essence right.
You said 800 for 1000. You said 700 for 475. You said I don't even remember what you said. You said 1000 for 3000. You said 400 for 700, 650, whatever it was. You said how much did you say for this? You said 1000 for 1750. I literally have just reminded you of everything you just said.
But that was for a pack of 3. The rest were all on discount. है ना? देखो.
He
Sorry,
has
no.
lost another version of this game, another episode. Next time, will you listen to your wife and just do
I'm not
some
allowed to
research?
speak on this chat show.
Just
On this debate, I'm not allowed to speak. No.
I think next time you should take your wife's advice and actually just get onto Nykaa and do a little bit of research.
My point is that this is January, correct? We've just been through a festive period, and correct me if I'm wrong, most brands offer discounted prices. Am I correct? And if you go on to various e-com platforms, if you go on to check out various brands and the prices, most of them are
I'm so
offering.
glad you're cute because you're so stupid.
most of them are offering discounts, and the prices that I quoted were discounted prices. So I win.
Whatever makes you happy.
I agree. I got this one wrong. I mean, no one would be stupid enough to offer more than 50% discount on this. I admit, okay, fine, I'll grant you this. I was wrong on this because no one would offer so much. But I got everything else correct. I quoted 800 rupees for a 999 product on discount. I'm pretty sure this will be 800 rupees.
चलो सबको लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करने याद
मैं नहीं
दिला
खेल
दो।
रहा. Like, share, subscribe. But you comment and tell me whether I am correct or not. All of these were discounted prices. And if they are not, they should be. The WeFam comments shout out goes to Kruti Mehta.
Thank you for always talking to me in the comments. You guys, please be fair with your verdict for today and tell us who you think actually won down below in the comments. सच बताना, क्यूट फेसेस और चार्मिंग पर्सनालिटीज से बेवकूफ मत बनना। और डोंट फॉरगेट कि जाने से पहले आपको वो बेल बटन दबाना है ताकि आपको अलर्ट्स आए एवरी टाइम आई अपलोड न्यू वीडियोस। बाय द वे, वीडियोस आर आल्सो स्टार्टिंग टू कम अप ऑन माय हिंदी चैनल। अगर आपने वहाँ पे मुझे सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज जाकर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, कर दीजिए,
कर दीजिए,
कर दीजिए,
कर दीजिए,
प्लीज कर दीजिए।
एंड सच्चाई बताइए, मैंने आपको अपना
और
लॉजिक समझा दिया।
बताइए मुझे, अगर आपको चाहिए कि जेरी और व्लॉग्स में आए, खुद के व्लॉग्स करे, मेरे कौन से वीडियोस में आए, आपको कौन से वीडियोस में हमें साथ में देखना है. इफ यू हैव एनी वीडियो आइडियाज, सजेशंस फॉर अस, प्लीज टेल अस इन द कमेंट्स. लव यू गाइज so much. Thank you for telling me I won today's challenge. Mwah. Bye.
This is Arnab. Arnab like behavior. What is this Arnab like behavior?
इंसल्ट हो गई मेरी अब तो.